If your friend sneezes and you say bless you, you're carrying on an ancient tradition. Let's explore why. So, why do we say bless you? This custom dates back to ancient times when people believed sneezing could expel evil spirits from the body. During the plague in the 6th century, Pope Gregory even suggested saying God bless you to protect the sneezer from illness. It was like sending a mini prayer for their health. Over time, this morphed into just bless you. Pretty interesting for such a small phrase, right? Next time someone sneezes, you'll know you're not just being polite, you're keeping a centuries-old tradition alive.